Hello guys, welcome back to this C++ video tutorial. In the previous videos we install our compiler, and also we have been able to run our first C++ program which prints out hello world on the screen. Now in the previous video we promised that we are going to explain all this bit of codes over here, and in this video we are going to do that. Now in programming, before you can do things that you wish to do, or before you can code the algorithm that you have planned, transforming it into a software, first of all you need to follow certain rules before you can go ahead and do what you want to do. Now C++ language defines several headers which contains information which is necessary for your program. Now these headers, one of them is the include IOStream. We have a lot of headers, but this is the most popular one, which most of times it is found in all the C++ program. Okay, now this using namespace standard over here only tells C++ or the compiler to use the namespace from the C++ library. Okay, so the using namespace standard, that is what it does, and it's very necessary. Now int main is where execution begins. Int main is where program execution begins, and int main is very necessary, just like these two over here in any C++ program. Now these braces opens and closes the int main over here. Sometimes we can have different functions outside the main function. Okay, now this cout is only printing out hello world on the screen. Now this end line is telling the cout to just end the line over here, and the column terminates the whole thing. Return 0 means that our program has run fine, and it should terminate the main function and causes it to return the value 0 to the calling process. Okay, so this is it for this course. And now that we know this, let's try and do something. Let's try printing out our names on the screen. Okay, so I have already informed you that this cout over here performs the operation by printing something on our screen. So if I want to print another thing instead of hello world, then I'll just come and change this, and I will write my name as in Radolf Osei Kwame. That's my name. Okay, now after this, if I run this program, it's going to print out Radolf Osei Kwame on the screen. Let's check it out by running. So click on this play button over here to run your codes. Run. And it seems the project is not built yet. Do you want to build it now? Yes, of course. Okay, so now it has built, and as you can see, I have Radolf Osei Kwame over there printed out on the screen. Alright, I can also print several things by just copying and pasting. I'll just copy this. I like copying and pasting. Okay, I'll paste again, and I'll change the printout. So I'll change this one to something like my name is, okay, Radolf Osei Kwame, and I will change this, and I write something like aged 99. Alright, I wish. Alright, so let me run this again, and now we are going to see that. Okay, but I won't run it over here. I'll just build before I run. So instead of clicking on this play button over here, click on this settings icon and the play button at the top over here to build and run. Okay, so I'll just click on build and run over here, and as you see, I have something like my name is Radolf Osei Kwame, aged 99, which I'm not. Alright, so that's it. That is it for this tutorial. Now we know the functions of this bit of code over here. We know how to print out certain things on the screen and do it a multiple of times. Now in the next tutorial, we are going to check out something really crazy a bit. So meet me in the next tutorial. It's going to be real fun. Bye bye.